I'm an online shopper, and from time to time, I like to take pictures and add them to my reviews. But in this instance, I said, let me go ahead and do a video because this product exceeded my expectations. As you can see, one of our wheels from our Samsonite luggage broke off. We've had this Samsonite luggage for many, many years. Quality, sturdy luggage. But unfortunately, when coming back from our travels one time, it did break while in transit. As you can see, the luggage, the item that we acquired through Amazon was this replacement wheel. Yeah, it wasn't as exact as the original, but it was similar. And it was an easy fix. As you can see here, all you have to do was unzip the inner lining, and you can see how it was a simple replacement. Now, of course, one would have to find the exact wheel or something similar to their luggage that's in need of a repair. But this wheel was suitable for my Samsonite, and I'll let you see how well it rolls. As you can see there, it's nice and smooth. So great product, certainly recommend it. Yeah.